In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Our Lady of the Angels Prep won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Our Lady of the Angels Prep and Bible knowledge. Who wrote the Book of Lamentations in the Bible?
Jeremiah.
That's right. McIntosh, what is the first epistle of Paul which appears in the Bible?
Paul.
Incorrect, it's Romans. Our Lady, this is a science question. What can be defined as the force exerted over a given area in the atmosphere?
Air pressure.
That's right. McIntosh, which instrument is used to measure air pressure?
Barometer.
That's right. International affairs is a visual question. Our Lady, look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Australia.
That's right. McIntosh, look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Argentina.
Incorrect, it's Honduras. English language, Our Lady, spell electricity.
Electricity.
That's right. McIntosh, spell articulate.
Articulate.
That is correct. Television is a visual question for Our Lady. Look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Pebbles.
That's correct. McIntosh, look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Francis.
Incorrect, it's Dee Dee Pickles. Our Lady, this is a general knowledge question. Who won the 2025 Jamaica Festival Queen title?
Abigail Dunstan.
Incorrect, it's Brittany Clark. McIntosh, who won the 2025 Jamaica Festival Song Competition?
Abigail Dunstan.
That's right. Social studies for Our Lady. In what year did Guyana become a republic?
1970.
That is correct. McIntosh, in what year did Trinidad and Tobago become a republic?
1980.
That's incorrect. It's 1976. Music, we have a visual question for Our Lady. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Romain Virgo.
That's correct. McIntosh, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Christopher Martin.
Incorrect, it's Dalton Harris. Our Lady, mathematics, what is the square root of 225 plus the square of 9?
96.
That is correct. McIntosh, what is 13 squared minus the square root of 121? Our Lady, would you like to try?
Yes, miss. 911.
That's incorrect. It's 158. And that brings us to the end of section 1. The scores are McIntosh Memorial Primary on 3 and Our Lady of the Angels Prep on 8. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Don't wait until you are too tired to start homework or projects. Take on tough assignments when you have lots of time and energy. Stay with us. Season 22 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.